Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready to dive into some seriously cool AI stuff with me today?
Absolutely, let's do it.
Okay, so we've got some juicy stuff to unpack here, folks. Letta's making waves with AI memory. Epoch AI's got some wild predictions about AI growth, and buckle up because we've got a whole lineup of rapid-fire updates that'll show you just how fast this field is moving.
Sounds like a lot to cover.
It is. Let's start with Letta. So they're all about, giving AI a memory. A real memory.
Yeah, because right now it's kind of like most AI models, they just live in the moment, right? They process information and poof, it's gone.
Exactly. Which, I mean, that works for some stuff. But for AI to be really personal, really helpful, it needs to, actually remember you.
Right. Remember your preferences, your history, all that. That's the challenge Letta's taking on. And it's a big one.
And get this, they've raised $10 million in funding. $10 million. With big names like Alphabet, Hugging Face, all backing them. $70 million valuation.
It's huge. And it makes sense when you think about the potential, right? Imagine customer service bots that remember your order history, healthcare apps that actually learn from your progress, tailor their advice.
Oh, yeah.
It could totally change how we use technology. What applications get you most fired up?
All of them, honestly. But especially with how crazy fast AI is already growing. It's like 4 times bigger every year.
Yeah, that's the thing, isn't it? It's incredible.
It's mind-blowing. But it also makes you wonder, can it keep going at this pace? Are there limits?
Well, Epoch AI looked into that. They analyzed, power consumption, computer chips, all the stuff that could hold AI back.
Infrastructure.
Exactly. And their take is basically, as long as companies keep investing in that infrastructure, keep building it out, we're good.
Okay, that's reassuring.
But get this, they predict AI models could be 10,000 times larger than GPT-4 by 2030.
10,000, I can't even...
It's almost impossible to grasp, right?
Yeah.
AI that powerful could change, everything. Medicine, climate modeling. I mean, we haven't even thought of some of the problems it could solve.
It's kind of amazing.
Yeah.
And, a little scary at the same time, right?
Totally.
Yeah.
But let's switch gears for a sec. OpenAI just did something pretty cool. They're giving away $1 million in API credits.
$1 million.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Who are they giving it to?
Developers in lower-income countries.
That's amazing. So they can build their own AI stuff.
Exactly, which is huge for making sure the future of AI is inclusive, right?
Yeah.
Everyone benefits.
Absolutely. I'm really curious to see what comes out of that.
Me too. But speaking of interesting moves, Perplexity, that AI search engine?
Yeah.
They're now testing ads. So looks like they're gearing up for a bit of a showdown with Google.
Interesting. But how are they going to make sure that doesn't mess with their search results,
Right. It's a tough balance, finding that sweet spot between making money and staying unbiased. We'll see how it plays out.
For sure. Okay, next up, text to video.
Things are really heating up there.
The folks behind that Grok image generator, they just raked in $100 million to launch a text to video model.
It was only a matter of time, right? We've seen what AI can do with images. Video is the obvious next step.
Right, and that's going to be huge for entertainment, education, everything.
Totally. Okay, last one for you. Meta's AI efforts are crushing it over on WhatsApp.
Really? What are they doing over there?
Just integrating AI into a lot of their features.
Oh.
And people love it. Engagement's way up. And now Facebook's getting the AI treatment next.
So AI is just becoming part of our lives, without us even realizing it.
That's the thing. It's becoming invisible, just working behind the scenes.
Which makes you wonder what else we could do if we, really tapped into that power,
Absolutely.
Speaking of tapping into power, have you heard of Arcade? They're all about bringing digital dreams to life in the real world.
I have. It's fascinating. It's a great example of AI actually working with humans.
Yeah.
You describe something like, a silver charm of a sunflower. Right.
And then, boom, it connects you with an artisan who can make it for you.
Exactly. It's like this whole network of AI-powered artisans at your fingertips.
It's incredible. Talk about personalized creativity. What would you create if you had that kind of power?
Ooh, that's a good one. The possibilities are endless. It really makes you think about, what else AI can help us create.
And that, my friends, is something worth pondering.
For sure.
Catch it all next time.